Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of cars that are so ahead of their time, they might as well be from the future. But folks, when you invent something that's way ahead of its time, the world either sees you as a genius or pretends you're just another fruitcake at the family holiday gathering. Enter the Bergholt Streamline, a car that was practically the future, if only people in the 30s knew what they were looking at. Now, before I get carried away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you'll want to stick around for more stories that are weirder than your uncle's dance moves at weddings. Back to the Bergholt Streamline. Fred Bergholt, this guy wasn't just a regular car designer, oh no! He had an aviation background, people. He and his brother were building gliders and planes before a fire wiped their shop in 1913. But did that stop Fred? Heck no! Fred went, I'm going to take all this aerodynamic knowledge and make a car that'll slice through the air like butter on a hot knife, and that's exactly what he did. We're talking a car so smooth it could have been mistaken for a spaceship, if only it had rocket boosters and maybe some lasers. The body design? Oh, inspired by a turtle's shell. That's right, folks, a turtle. And no, it wasn't just for style points. This shape actually cut down air resistance, making this car faster and more efficient than, well, anything else around in 1932. Everybody else was still stuck on boxy, clunky designs, while Fred was already designing the car of the future. Now, let's get into the specs. Fred didn't just slap any engine under the hood, oh no. He went big, a V8 engine, 3,622 cubic centimeters of raw power, giving you 65 horsepower at 3,400 revolutions per minute. Torque? 176 Newton meters at 1,250 revolutions per minute. Now, keep in mind, this was still a concept, so it wasn't exactly blowing doors off, but you could feel it in your gut. And don't forget, it had a 3-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, mechanical drum brakes, and a suspension that's built to last. In theory, of course. Unfortunately, Fred didn't exactly strike it big. Despite the car's futuristic features, including that low roofline and a spare tire hidden in the front fender. Genius! The Bergholt Streamline never made it to mass production. Fred tried to pitch it to the big automakers, but they were just like, nah, we're good, turning him down like a bad date. But hey, Fred didn't take it lying down. He patented his brilliant ideas and later on, get this, he won a lawsuit against General Motors. Take that, car industry! It toured the United States, Canada, and Mexico like a rock star, but by the time World War II rolled around, the Streamline was, well, forgotten. So yeah, it's a real shame. The Bergholt Streamline had everything to change the game, but the world just wasn't ready. So folks, we might have missed the Bergholt Streamline's moment, but we're still riding high with its legacy. Catch you later, Road Warriors.